Actually happening. Hey, we just put our deposit down for our lot and our structure. Super excited. So it's official. We're putting this. Congratulations. Now, did you want to just price out the granite? Because the granite isn't a bunch of a junk, it's quartz.
But she doesn't want granite, I think.
Isn't that's the basic?
That's
So
what it
you're
comes
saying
with.
you would pick it and then
Change
tear
it.
it out?
Change
Oh, I
it.
got it. Okay, it took me a minute. House update. So our house, we have a roof and the house is wrapped. Yep, all this trash in our yard. Huh? The what? No. It is the messiest crew. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those who have not subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and that like button. And for those who are not newbies and that are back, hey y'all. So we just checked out the house today, and you guys, look, we have walls. The drywall is finally up.
Videos.
As you can see, we have like one person working on our house right now. I guess she's doing like the touch-ups or whatnot. But this part has been very frustrating because the drywall has been sitting in the house for like weeks now. And it's finally up, so I'm not complaining about that. But we technically should have been in our home by now. When we first purchased the home, the estimated time frame or date was like the end of January. We're excited about this part, but yo, like, can we move in yet?
This one's mine, right?
Yeah, that's mine. Mine's longer. That's about it. But I think they're the same. Mine.
Damn, this is huge.
Think so?
There's a whole room in here.
Or maybe I can put the chandelier in here.
Maybe.
Alright, that's right. You guys, shout out to us women out there, hard workers. Like, she is doing her thing, yo. Hey guys.
Right for the trash can.
I know, right in front of the trash can. But today was a nervous wreck, but I'm good. Your girl's good. So new job career, or right? New job maybe, possibly. I don't know. We just came to check out.
Same career.
Same career, just different. I would say specialty. We'll see. I don't know. And now we're in the beginning of February, and we're nowhere near close in completing our home. So this is us right now. Drywall is up. So recently our contractor sent us some update pictures of the home. It's basically the same thing that you see right here. I'll put some pictures so that you guys can see. But he basically just said they sprayed the walls, and the next thing that they're going to do is paint the walls, and then they'll be putting in the flooring once it comes in. This process has taken a much longer time than we expected, but due to the fact that we're in a pandemic, things are taking much longer time to be shipped. The United States is still moving along and still functioning, while most parts of the world are still on quarantine and shut down.